Hello, my name is Julio Andrade, and in this video we will share the recipe for a dessert called Carlota. We will show the ingredients it contains and how to prepare it. Ingredients: we will use the Maria cookies, lemon juice, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and one recipe. Preparation is as follows. Preparation mode is as follows. 1. Squeeze the juice of 5 or 6 lemons. 2. The can on evaporated milk and condensed milk is opened. Mix then in the glass of a blender. In a large and spacious container, place Maria cookies more mixture from the blender and sew on until the cookies and the mixture are gone. Finally, we put into cooling the refrigerator for about 2 hours.